How to enable stereo audio in Zoom call. If you want to know about this, then watch this video till the end. Stereo audio can help you in live music performances and in other places. To do this process, first of all, you need to open Zoom on cloud. You need to open its website. You need to open zoom.us. This option is not available in Zoom application. Click on sign in. Enter your email ID and password. Once you are logged in, you need to click on this option, settings. Scroll down and click on this option, in meetings advanced. Herein you can search stereo and you can find this option, allow user to select stereo audio. So you need to enable this option. You can see your settings have been updated. Now you can log in with this email ID and password on Zoom app, and stereo will work for you. So I hope now, friends, you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends, take care.